This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Jira ticket. Deleting a ticket is a permanent action, so it is crucial to proceed with caution. Once deleted, the ticket and all its associated data cannot be recovered. You must also possess the correct permissions within your Jira project to perform this action. Understanding these initial steps ensures a smooth process before you even begin. Before you can delete any Jira ticket, you must confirm you have the necessary permissions. Typically, you need either a project administrator role or the specific delete issues permission granted for that project. If you lack these, you will not see the delete option available. Always check with your Jira administrator or team lead if you are unsure about your current access rights. They can grant the appropriate permissions or perform the deletion on your behalf. Once your permissions are confirmed, the next step is to locate the specific Jira ticket you wish to delete. You can find it quickly by using the search bar at the top of your Jira instance, typing in the ticket ID or a relevant keyword. Alternatively, if you have a direct link, you can navigate there immediately. For deleting multiple tickets, the Issue Navigator offers advanced filtering options to pinpoint precisely the items you need to remove. Always double-check the ticket details to ensure with your emulator successfully installed, open it to find a familiar Android interface. You will need to sign in with your Google account, which is a standard procedure for accessing the Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Play Store icon within the emulator, just as you would on a physical Android device. Use the search bar to find Clash of Clans, then simply click Install to begin downloading the game. The installation usually finishes within a couple of minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.